This video will demonstrate how to create a Google spreadsheet to build automaticity for vowel flexing. But first of all, we have to do an overview of how the Google Sheet is shared for a macro. So I'm going to log in as myself, and here's my Google Sheet. This is the document that I created that has a macro in it. Notice that I share. So what we're going to do is log in as myself as another person, pretending it's you, to show you how you can access this and build your own worksheets. I'm going to close Google or Chrome. I'm going to come back. This time I'm going to use a different login. And this is to pretending that it's you. So I'm going to go here. I want to start working on the vowel flexing tool, which is right here. And down here is where we're going to explain. But first of all, what we want to do is pick the single letter A vowel in the first syllable and in the second syllable. And we do a search on first, and we have 77 words. What I want to do is build a worksheet for automaticity for dotting the vowels, vowel flexing, and or chunking the syllables. So what I click on build a 6x6 table. It will now allow me to copy. I right click, do a copy. Now I click on the sheet icon, and you're going to get a message up here saying ready to copy and paste. Sometimes you have to do it twice the first time in. So let's do it again. Okay. So now here is the template that I made, that I showed you, that I shared. So what we have to do, you have to click on Use Template. It takes some time to build that association. Okay, what you want to do is place your cursor in the B3, right-click, Paste Special Values Only. So now that has copied all that data from the previous display. So what I want to do here is click on Format Me. Now, the first time in, you may be prompted for security to allow you, because this is now going to be on your Google account. So I can say, oh, okay, I want to get authorization required, and I click on, okay, I'm pretending I'm you. So this is my, and then I go down here and I click Allow. Now I have to click on Format Me again. Voila. You now have your 6x6 worksheet where the student can build automaticity for dotting the vowels, practice vowel flexing, and or chunking. Now, if you practice chunking, here's the answer sheet down below. So you can print this off, fold it in half, put it in a plastic sheet, and that way they can reuse it over and over. So now let's take a look at what your spreadsheet looks like, and formatted 6x6 table. So that is the name that I shared with you. And what we can do is rename that. Notice I have test 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to rename this to Group 1. So I'm going to build a worksheet for if you have small teams. We'll say OK. So now, you notice that is in worksheet A. So what I want to do is build another worksheet. This time we're going to let's do the E in the first syllable, E in the second syllable. I'm going to sort order on first. Okay, I have 81 words. Again, I want to build a table. I'm going to copy. And I don't want to hit this again because this will cause a new template. So I can go back here and use my worksheet B, paste, special, values only. Now this time it will not prompt me for security because I already passed that. So you can just do that. So let's do worksheet C. Come back over here. Let's do I. Okay, build the worksheet. Copy. Go to my Google worksheet. Again in B3. Right click. Paste. Oops. Let's do an undo. Okay, click the wrong practice, so I can do an undo or just click back in here and do paste special, not paste. Values only, and do format me. So now we have I and I. Let's do worksheet D. Go back here. Okay, we did AEI. Let's do O and O. Okay, first order. Build the table. Copy. Okay, I don't want to go here. I want to go up here to my worksheet. Okay, we're in worksheet D. B3, paste special, values only, format me. So once you're in a worksheet, you do not have to keep doing the authorization. But we will show you how you do that next time. Okay, so we have, let's do one more. We have the AIOU. Let's do U and U. Okay, first. Now notice we only have 10 words, so it will not build a full 6x6 table. But that'll show the students that you did not have that many vowels in the first and second syllables. So we're going to do a copy, go to our worksheet. We're in worksheet D, or E, paste special, values only, and format me. So you can see it has an abbreviated table, but it still all functions the same. So that's how you can build worksheets. Now what we can do is double click on that and say A, E, E. You have to double click on it. I, O, O, and double click. U, U. So that is now saved because Google always does an automatic save. So let's go back here and look at our worksheet now. So we have group 1. So now tomorrow you can come in and take a look at that, print it off. So this could be AA on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So however you want to organize your spreadsheets. Okay. So let's close down our sheet. Let's go back here and let's say we want to do something for group 2. We're going to work on vowel teams. So let's click AI and let's do all words in the second syllable, all vowels. So we're going to click on first, and we have 59 words. And we're going to create that. And we're going to copy. Now here, we want to create a new team worksheet. So now you click on this, you get your message, use template. Okay, this time, since we're using a new worksheet, we will be prompted for that, I believe. Oh, we're going to click here, a special value only, format me. Now we're going to find out if we have to log in again or give permission. Sometimes it takes a while. Yes. Okay. So anytime you create a new worksheet or a new team, you have to go through this process. So that's me. I do an allow. And now I can do format me again. So we've given it permission to use that macro on your file system. And there we go. So now you can come down here again, worksheet A, B, C, D, and E. So that's what the template is set up for. So now let's go back to here, to our worksheet. And now we can call this one, rename, we'll say group 2 long vowels, or vowel teams. So then you can repeat the process. Now that we have that open, let's just do one more. So our vowel teams, we're going to do AY, and we still have all selected. We're going to click on first order. We have 32 words, so we'll get a full, or no, we'll get a partial index or table. So we'll build it. Oops, I forgot. Copy. Let's do a copy. Now I just want to go up here and group 2 teams. Okay, you want to go down to worksheet B. Pay special, values only, format. So now you can continue building out your Vowel team worksheet. Now, if you need to, if you want to overlay that, let's just go back and do another one here. Okay, I want to shuffle again. So it's going to create a new table. So I can come in here, copy, go up to our worksheet. Okay, always go to B3, paste, values only. So you can't overlay your matrix. And that's how you can build a bunch of tables so you can build explicit and differentiated worksheets for automaticity for vowel flexing for 2-syllable words. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful for you.